buhay, mabuting tao. Welcome to my vlog, my channel. I'm here now riding taxi on my good pilot. My very good pilot for this morning. Very accommodating with our chika-chikahan on the radio program. Yung pangalan, sir? Alan Sebastian. Very good talaga siya na pilot ko for today. I decided to take the taxi in as much as it is raining. So here I am passing the coastal road. Actually, I've been here years ago. I think 2 years ago. But I wasn't able to vlog inside the car. So look at this. This is the coastal road of Davao. Very beautiful project of the government of Davao. I love this one. So have a glimpse of coastal road of Davao. It's rainy morning. I'm going to begin you from Gaisano, Bahada. Just sharing you the captured episodes of Coastal Road of Davao. One of the beauty spots here in Davao City under the Duterte's governance, administration, and leadership. Very nice. At that time, sir, hindi pa ito maagian. That time when I was here, nagpasyal-pasyal. Pasyal ko din. Open pa ba yung mga playground? Di ba may playground? I was there. Lakad-lakad lang. Then, that one on the seaside. Yeah, the seaside. There. I have my vlogs there before. Just return here later. Ulan. So Davao City is really an amazing place. Davao life is very amazing. Just sharing you a day in the life of the retired teacher here in Davao. Capturing my daily activities. It's raining, gloomy. It's a gloomy Tuesday. Wow. So really, it's an amazing Davao. Here I am. We decided to take this coastal road in as much as it's heavy traffic on the other road that we're going to transfer. So here we are. But I enjoyed this roadway in as much as it's not a heavy traffic anymore. Just enjoying the scenery. Actually, wow, it's up and down. Down, we're down now. Wow, beautiful coastal road. Ano sa pa nag-start niya maagyan na ni sir? Kaya kung pag-ato na ako dali, dili pa man ni maagian. 1 year na?
Oo, na ma'am.
2 years na dahil ko dili pa siya. 2 years
1 year na ni?
Oo. I will be back here later to pasyal also.
Pati the
it's
one
my
na ma'am, naganda o ma'am pagka Sunday, Saturday.
Sunday o Mao na magyapon ba buntag mo open 5 o'clock.
O kaya morning. Kaya nang mag-jogging diri.
Yan ang gusto ko, jogging, walking. Nagyan na ba nato katong playground?
Dito.
Dito. Yeah. So this is it.
Diri man tatalon.
So now we reroute to Talomo. Talomo district. Thank you for making my day stress free. And giving approval to my request to look for the road which is less traffic or just moderate traffic. So we are now going to Pequeño, my destination. Wow, what a beautiful life in Davao City. So I'm just making life wonderful, living my moments in as much as Philippines. 100 years from now, it won't matter anymore. Where are you and me? So we are no more. We are going to enjoy life to the fullest. This is it. Traversing the roadway. Yeah, I love this one. The taxi ride. I decided to migrate to Davao upon my retirement for a reason that here in Davao there is a political will of political governance that is under Duterte's administration. So this is now our way going to my destination. That's Brigada. We are listening, no? Brigada. Huh? Brigada? Yeah. Okay, so I enjoyed my taxi ride. And as much as my pilot here, we are sharing ideas of day-to-day life, family challenges that was sent to the radio program asking for advice. Yes, this is it. A life in Davao City. Thank you, Mabuhay, Mabuhayers. Thank you for also please joining me in my vlogs as I featured my a day in my life, my updates in my life. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. I hope you enjoyed my captured episodes while riding in a taxi with this coastal road project here in Davao City. One of the beauty spots, tourist spots in Davao. Actually, I've been looking also for other beauty spots, but I think I almost visited every beauty spots here in Davao. Jack Reeds, I was already there. The Vista in front of Jack Reeds, and all other beauty spots in Davao. In the Eden, and the same with there in Marilo. So this is my picture, my new life, my new hope, my new beginning, my new chapter of life in Davao City. Life is here. Life is here again in Davao City. Thank you everyone, Kamabuhay, Kamabuhayers, my subscribers of my YouTube Mabuhay channel, including everyone on Facebook. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. I am your teacher vlogger, retired teacher. Teacher being Arlita being Basilio Rindoon, celebrating also this World Teachers Month. Happy Teachers Month everyone. My co-teachers, my teachers all over the world. World Teachers Day. Signing off, your vlogger of the century, Ma'am Darna, Mama Buhay. Mabuhay, until my next vlog. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life. Remember, if there's no selfie, there's no picture, no video, it did not happen. When what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. Stress is just inside our mind. It's not the stress that will kill us. No, it's how we feedback, how we react to that situation. It might be a traffic, heavy traffic, whatever it is that comes to our life. Make it 10% the situation, and of course 90% our positive feedback on that situation, especially if it is a negative situation. So, live and alive in a taxi here. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Signing off. Teacher vlogger, signing off. Arlina being Basilio Rindon. Mabuhay! Thank you, Kamabuhay and Mabuhayers.